Time is 3:55 p.m. I'm here at the Compton station. Right just before I came here, the tire got flat. There was a bunch of thorns. They laid out a bunch of thorns through my routinely route. So that one got popped. But this one, I put an extra tube inside to protect it. I gotta put another extra tube and some lining, puncher lining, and put a tube there, make it really thick. I'm gonna make this one thicker, put another tube in there, another layer, flat, just right at the last stop, my last stop. It's totally flat.